Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated seats, Bluetooth, heated front seats, push-button start, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, power steering. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.